Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we peel back the curtain on corporate filings to see what is really going on behind the numbers. And sometimes those numbers tell a story that sounds a little too good to be true. Today we are looking at Traws Pharma Incorporated, and while this report isn't packed with endless financial spreadsheets, it does have a very specific and crucial piece of news that could be a really big deal for them. So the big news here is that Traws Pharma has announced some promising early results from their study on a new COVID drug called Ritutrelvar. Now, the kicker is this drug is ritonavir free. What does that mean for us regular folks? Well, ritonavir is often used with other medications to boost their effectiveness, but it can also have some pretty significant side effects and interactions. So a ritonavir free treatment could mean a simpler, safer, and potentially more accessible option for patients. This is a phase 2 study, which means it is still relatively early in the testing process, but positive interim data is a very encouraging sign. It suggests the drug is showing effectiveness, and that the company is likely moving forward with further development. Now, as with any exciting medical breakthrough announcement, you always see this disclaimer about forward-looking statements. This is essentially the company telling everyone that while they are optimistic about the future, there are still a lot of ifs and buts. Developing new drugs is incredibly risky and expensive. Even with positive early results, there are many hurdles to overcome before it can actually reach patients. This includes further clinical trials, the rigorous approval process by regulatory bodies like the FDA, and potential manufacturing challenges. So while this news is definitely a positive signal, we have to remember that it is not a guarantee of success. The press release itself is filed as an exhibit, and that is where we would find the nitty-gritty details about these early study results. For Traws Pharma, this kind of news is critical. They are a smaller company, and a successful drug for a major global health issue like COVID-19 could be a game changer, catapulting them into a much larger market. This could mean significant revenue growth and a major boost in their stock value. We can see that Traws Pharma Incorporated is publicly traded on the Nasdaq stock market LLC under the ticker symbol TRAW. This means that investors have been watching this company closely, and this announcement will likely have an impact on their stock price. A successful drug can transform a company. It brings in revenue, builds a reputation, and can fund further research and development into other potential treatments. The report is signed by Ian Dukes, who is identified as the Chief Executive Officer. This indicates that the leadership team is endorsing this announcement and pushing it forward. So what does this all mean for Traws Pharma Incorporated? Well, on the surface, it is a very positive development. They have announced encouraging early data for a potentially important new COVID-19 treatment. This offers a significant growth opportunity for the company. However, it is crucial to remember the inherent risks in drug development. This is not a done deal yet. There are many more steps and potential setbacks before this drug could ever see the light of day in a pharmacy. The company's direction here is clear. They are betting heavily on this new drug, and if it pans out, it could be revolutionary for them. The biggest risk is obviously the scientific and regulatory uncertainty that comes with any new pharmaceutical. Alright, that is our quick take on Traws Pharma Incorporated's latest filing. What do you think about this news and its potential impact on the company? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more corporate decoder insights. And hey, don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description for more discussions and all things corporate finance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.